Hey everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of building a web application with Next.js on the Azion platform. Let's get started. First, let's go through the requirements. You need an Azion platform account with Edge functions enabled, the latest version of Azion CLI installed on your computer, a code editor, access to terminal, and Node.js version at least 18. To start with, on the terminal, type Azion init, and then choose the desired name for your project. Then select the Next template and the latest version for your project. Next, the CLI will initialize your Next.js project and prompt you to choose the delivery mode. Select Deliver. After that, you'll be asked if you want to start a local development server. If your answer is yes, go ahead and install project dependencies. Then add the output inside the Next.config.js file. Continue the installation. Wait until the process is complete. And then, on your browser, access localhost :3000 to see your running project. Now, it's time to deploy your project to the edge. First, stop the terminal execution, access your project folder, and run the deployment command, Azion deploy. If you answered no to having a local server and want to deploy your project directly to the edge, follow the similar steps as mentioned earlier. After your project is deployed, you'll receive a domain name to access your project at Azion's platform. Wait for a few minutes for propagation and then use the provided domain to access your application. You also check the Azion platform, your brand new application, and its domain as well. There you have it, folks. This concludes our demo on how to build with Next.js on Azion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.